Welcome to the crypto. My name is Arthur, back again with another video, and in this video we're just gonna take a look at triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity. We're gonna scan for this triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity using heavy crypto triangular crypto arbitrage scanner, and we're gonna also give away some crypto, as you already know that we have a giveaway going on this channel. You know what I mean? So if you're not familiar with this scanner, you already know that this scanner scans for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. It works in phone and stuff like that, and that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. And we're also gonna do some live trades, whereby we're gonna take a live trade on any crypto exchange that we're gonna scan on. You know what I mean? So let's just jump right into it. But before we start, let's give away some crypto. As you already know that on our previous video we said that for you to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is to comment, I subscribe, and of course to like the video. You know what I mean? So let's just pick a random winner. Of course, I already I already looked at other subscribers and good comments and stuff like that. So as you can see right here, I've got a lot of comments, and I asked some people to give me their USDT addresses because of their comments and stuff like that. So Trader Spin, I think, is one of them. He said, however, I feel like triangular arbitrage is one of the smartest ways to profit in crypto without relying on market direction. You're not gambling on price movements, just exploring price differences between pairs, clean and consistent. So I mean, this is all true, right? You're not gambling and you're only dealing with price difference and stuff like that. So let's give him some crypto, right? I think I sent it on my Telegram, so we're just gonna jump to my Telegram and check him out. You know what I mean? Trader, yeah, here we go. Let's do this quickly. You know what I mean? Have to get back to the community, guys. We have to. So for you to join the giveaway, guys, make sure you comment and subscribe, right? You comment and like and subscribe and type I subscribe. You know what I mean, guys? Let's send him some TRC20. Gonna give him 70, right? 70 is enough. 70. Confirm. And here we go, guys. We submitted. Boom, we sent him some USDT. That's our lucky winner. Trader Spin right there. So we're also gonna pick some random. We're also gonna pick up some good comments, and we're gonna be giving away a lot of cryptos on this channel, guys. So let's go ahead to our business of today, guys, and we're gonna be scanning for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities right here, right? So already logged in. Right here, you know the process. Let's choose an exchange. Let's trade on KuCoin is cool. KuCoin, and there's always a lot of arbitrage opportunities. We're gonna be putting 100 USD, and we want to see the top 10 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on KuCoin, and the rest just leave it on default like this, and all you have to do is to click apply, and it's just gonna scan and give us opportunities, guys. You know what I mean? Already, so that didn't take long, took like 1 minute. So now that we have some arbitrage opportunities right here, first one being ETH to USDT, then ETH to XLM to USDT, and is gonna give us at least 9.75%, right? So we're just gonna go ahead and take a first one because it's the highest right here on KuCoin. So let's jump right into KuCoin and then take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity. And you already know that these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities last at least 6 to 10 minutes, right? So we're just gonna do it quickly on KuCoin crypto exchange, and gonna see how much you're gonna be making and stuff like that. But you can see the panel right here. So make sure you subscribe, guys, and leave a like button for each algorithm, and comment I subscribe. So just comment I subscribe, and personally will ask you for your wallet address and stuff like that, and we're gonna take it further. You know what I mean? And we're gonna be giving away all these cryptos every day in each and every video, so make sure you pay attention when I drop and stuff like that. So let's go ahead to our phone, and we're gonna take advantage of this Triangular Crypto Arbitrage as quick as possible. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, so right now you can see that we're on KuCoin, and this amount that I have, and I'm gonna use this amount to take advantage of that Triangular Crypto Arbitrage opportunity that we found on KuCoin. You know what I mean? And guys, I'm thinking like we should start going live, and then we must scan together and take advantage of these opportunities and stuff like that. And if you want us to do that, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below as well, guys. You know, we can start going live, and then we do all these things together. You know what I mean? So as you can see, I'm just gonna go to trade right here, and of course the first pair that we have to take a look at is Ethereum to USDT, right? So we're gonna go right there, and let's search ETH, right? ETH, like this, and click ETH to USDT. So we're gonna spend 100% of our available balance that we have right here, and we can simply use a market order. So it's gonna go, so that's gonna go through immediately, right? So 100%, let's buy some ETH, right? Order placed, boom. Now we have some ETH, right? What is this? Right, so now we have some ETH. So now we're gonna have to sell ETH to XLM. So let's search for XLM, like this, right? To ETH, which is right here. So let's sell this to, let's get some XLM, right? What are you doing? Yeah, getting some XLM 100%. Let's click buy XLM with Ethereum that we have right now. We bought some XLM with Ethereum that we have. Now we're gonna have to jump into XLM to USDT, so that we can sell the XLM to USDT. So, and we're gonna see how much money we make and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna go ahead to where it's written right here and search for XLM to USDT, right? XLM to USDT right here on top. Why is it lagging? Exactly. So we're gonna go ahead and sell all our XLM that we have right here, right, to USDT. So we're just gonna go ahead and click 100% and click sell XLM. All right. So let's reload. Okay, cool. Let's see. Boom. As you can see right now, we ended up having 107, and we started with 100 USD, as you can see. So exactly as predicted from the scanner, and these are the results that we came out with. So Triangular Crypto Arbitrage is really simple, and you know, like beginners, it's very simple for beginners. Like you guys can just, you know, quickly swap these coins and take advantage of price difference and stuff like that. So the link is going to be in the description below as well, and make sure you join the giveaway. Just comment, I subscribe, and like the video, and we're randomly going to pick up some, you know, some people and stuff like that, and give out some USDTs. You know, we have to give back to the community. So this is it. My name is Arthur. All the links going to be in the description below as well. And guys, make sure you follow us on Facebook. We have got a page on Facebook. All right. I'll leave also the link in the description below as well, or you can just go to our link tree, and you're gonna find our Facebook there. All right. So therefore, another video, as you can see, we ended up having 107, and this is the power of Triangular Crypto Arbitrage. You know what I mean? So video, guys. Love and peace. Cheers.